सो हेलो गाइस, आज हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं D.Pharmacy एग्जिट एग्जाम एंड RRB फार्मासिस्ट के फार्माकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट्स के MCQs। तो टोटल हमारे 150 MCQs होने वाले हैं और ये होने वाला है पार्ट 2। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। What is characteristics of the intramuscular route of drug administration? A. Only water solution can be injected. B. Oily solutions can be injected. C. Opportunity of hypotronic solution injected. D. The action develops slower than the oral administration. Correct answer is option B. Oily solutions can be injected. Conjugation is a process of drug reduction by special enzyme. B. A process of drug oxidation by special oxidase. C. Coupling of a drug with an endogenous substrate. D. Soluble in lipids. Correct answer is option C. Coupling of a drug with an endogenous substrate. Correct statement listing characteristics of a particular route of drug administration include all of the following except A. Intravenous administration provide a rapid response. B. Intramuscular administration require a sterile technique. C. Inhalation provides slow access to the general circulation. D. Subsequent administration may cause local irritation. Correct answer is C. Inhalation provides slow access to the general circulation. Which of the following processes proceed in the second phase of biotransformation? A. Acetylation, B. Reduction, C. Oxidation, or D. Hydrolysis. Correct option is A. Acetylation. Biological barrier include all except A. Renal tubule, B. Cell membrane, C. Capillary walls, D. Placenta. Correct answer is A. Renal tubules. What is the reason of complicated penetration of some drug through blood-brain barrier? A. High lipid solubility of drug. B. Meningitis. C. Absence of pore in the brain capillary endothelium. D. High endocytosis degree in a brain capillary. Correct answer is option C. Absence of pores in the brain capillary endothelium. The volume of distribution VD relates A. Single to a daily dose of an administered drug. B. An administered dose to a body weight. C. Uncharged drug reached to systemic circulation. D. Amount of drug in the body of concentration of a drug in a plasma. Correct answer is option D. The amount of a drug in a body to the concentration of the drug in plasma. For the calculation of the volume of distribution, one must take into account A. Concentration of a substance in plasma. B. Concentration of substance in urine. C. Theoretical width of the drug action. D. A daily dose of a drug. Correct answer is option A. Concentration of a substance in plasma. Conjugation of a drug includes the following except A. Glucuronidation, B. Sulfate formation, C. Hydrolysis, D. Methylation. Correct answer is option C. Hydrolysis. The term biotransformation includes the following A. Accumulation of the substance in the fat tissue. B. Binding the substance with the plasma protein. C. Accumulation of the substance in a tissue. D. Process of physiochemical and biochemical alteration in the drug body. Correct answer is D. Process of physiochemical and biochemical alteration of the drug in the body. Biotransformation of a drug is to render them A. Less ionized, B. More pharmacologically active, C. More lipid soluble, D. Less lipid soluble. Correct answer is option D. Less lipid soluble. Tick the drug type for which microsomal oxidation is the most prominent. A. Lipid soluble, B. Water soluble, C. Low molecular weight, D. High molecular weight. Correct answer is option A. Lipid soluble. Pick out the right statement. A. Microsomal oxidation always result in inactivation of a compound. B. Microsomal oxidation result in decrease of compound toxicity. C. Microsomal oxidation result in an increased ionization of a water soluble of a drug. D. Microsomal oxidation result in an increased lipid solubility of a drug. Thus its excretion of the organism is facilitated. Correct answer is C. Microsomal oxidation result in an increase of ionized and water solubility of a drug. Stimulation of a liver microsomal enzymes can A. Require the dose increase of some drugs, B. Require the dose decrease of some drugs, C. Prolong the duration of the action of a drug, D. Intensity of unwanted reaction of a drug. Correct answer is option A. Require the dose increase of some drug. Metabolic transformation phase 1 is A. Acetylation and methylation of substances, B. Transformation of substances due to oxidation, reduction or hydrolysis, C. Glucuronide formation, D. Binding the plasma protein. Correct answer is option B. Transformation of substances due to oxidation, reduction और हाइड्रोलाइसिस. सो आज के MCQ यहीं पर खत्म होते हैं. बाकी की प्लेलिस्ट आप लोग चैनल पर चेक कर सकते हो और वीडियो पसंद तो लाइक कर देना, चैनल पर तो डू सब्सक्राइब. तब तक के लिए पीस आउट.